Welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete Snapchat account in your phone. So you have to follow some settings to fix to delete your account in your phone. So you want to delete a Snapchat account, just follow some steps. You need to go back to settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. You simply go back to Snapchat and just simply go to the profile section of your phone of your Snapchat and go to settings and scroll down and just find our delete account. Just wait, just scroll down and just find our delete account. Just scroll down and you see that there's an option at delete account. So here you will just tap the delete account and further just make sure that delete the account. Just after delete the account, tap on that. So you have to make sure that settings to fix the issue. If you have to fix the issue is that you didn't find option of delete, just find here. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.